Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for our practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And again, this whole month is the month of celebrating Chinese New Year, and so we want to teach you more words and phrases that are related to the New Year's.
Hey.
好, for Chinese New Year, you're going to hear this a lot, whether it's in Mandarin, Cantonese, or now in Hakka. 恭喜发财，红包拿来。
恭喜發財，紅包拿來。
恭喜發財，紅包拿來. That's actually the most common line here in the Chinese culture that they say. All right, and then the more common phrase, of course, is just Happy New Year. So 新年好，
新年好，
新年好，或者是新年快樂，
新年快樂，
新年快樂. Okay, that's just Happy New Year. Again, that could be applied during Chinese New Year and during the regular New Year. A lot of times people like to ask around, where are you going to be going? What are you going to be doing during New Year's?
過年愛去哪位了？
過年愛去哪位了？
可是你要記得哦，海陸腔的哪裡要講哪位。
Oh, okay. Once again, there's so many dialects, and the Hailu dialect, it's nai vui. Finally, you will hear a lot of people playing mahjong during Chinese New Year. In fact, families allow their kids to play mahjong during Chinese New Year. 我可能答案是我要回家陪爸媽打麻將哦。
我就知哦。
I'm going to go back and play mahjong with my parents.
我愛進屋下，
我愛進屋下。
我要回家的意思。
Oh, I'm going back home.
老阿爸阿妹，
老阿爸阿妹。
打麻將。
Oh, 打麻將. That whole line again, I'm going to go back and play mahjong with my dad and mom. So there you go. Those are some of the phrases you might encounter during Chinese New Year. Let's review them quickly. 恭喜发财，红包拿来. Wish you wealth. Give me the red envelope.
恭喜發財，紅包拿來。
恭喜發財，紅包拿來. And then 新年好，新年快樂. Happy New Year.
新年好，新年快樂。
新年好，新年快樂. And where are you going during New Year's? 過年要去哪裡玩？
過年愛去哪位了？
過年愛去哪位了？那海陸又怎麼說？
過年愛去哪位了？
過年愛去哪位了？ And finally, I'm going back home to play some mahjong with my parents.
我愛進屋下，老阿爸阿妹打麻將。
我愛進屋下，老阿爸阿妹打麻將。All right, 澎湖啦。All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼太假？
俺子say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.